Hi guys, so in this video I'm going to be walking you through how to generate tags like this. As you can see on this my channel, I have lots of tags, and if you go to the tag section of my channel, you'll be able to see these tags. So how do you generate these tags? Because it's for you to allow your content to rank, you need to generate these tags always. So how do you generate these tags? In this video I'll be showing you the simplest and the fastest way to go about it. So also in this same video I'll be showing you how to generate this tag for both YouTube and also for TikTok. So for you to generate this tag, the first thing I want you to do is go to my channel and go ahead and subscribe on my channel. It's Tenacious Alive. You can see it here, Tenacious Alive. Go ahead and subscribe, like and share the account, and then we'll go straight into the video. So the first thing you want to go is to go to rapidtag.com.rapidtag.io. So just go ahead and search it, and you can see it here. It's a YouTube tag generator. So this is the first particular platform I'll be showing you. This is very reliable and it helps me generate tags, and with tags I'm able to generate here, I'm able to use it for my YouTube and also for my TikTok. So for the TikTok, if you click on this, you'll be able to generate your tags. So let's take, for example, I want to generate tag for YouTube. I'm going to go back to the home page and use the tag generator, the one for YouTube. So let's say I want to generate tag for any of my content, and if you look at the content, let's say I want to generate tag for this one. So I go ahead and copy it, and then I go to RapidTag and paste it here, and then I search, and then this will generate lots of tags for me. Can you see it? And then you go ahead and click the copy tags, and then you go ahead and paste it in your tag section in your video. The tag section of your video. So instead of just remove it, I'll just copy and paste it there, and then I can just remove some to make it reach the 500 required amount of tags you can add for your videos. And yeah, one more left. Yeah, now I've copied and pasted it here, and then I can go ahead and save, and this will help me help my videos in ranking. So this is a simple way to generate tags, as simple as that. The second option after this one is let's say, for example, you do not like this particular platform, you can go to TunePocket, and here on TunePocket you can also generate tags. It's a free tags generator. You can go ahead and generate YouTube tags, and sometimes it's like this. Yeah, it's like this. You can see it. It's like this. That's why TunePocket is not really reliable, but then times it does come up, and then you're able to generate your tags. And the platform, the looks and everything is similar to that of RapidTags. So RapidTags is quite reliable. That's why I shared it first. And this one is also reliable. At times RapidTags might be offline, you go ahead and use TunePocket. And at times TunePocket might be offline, you go ahead and use RapidTag. So this is for that. And for TikTok, similar method. You go ahead and paste your TikTok video here, and then you'll be able to generate your tags for the TikTok. Thank you. If you find this helpful and you'd like to see more of this kind of video, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and then watch out for more videos like this. Thank you very much. See you in the next one. Bye for now.